Welcome to Rostak. Before we go into the news, I appeal to all the viewers to maintain COVID appropriate behavior, wearing masks, washing your hand continuously, use sanitizer each time you step outside. Stay healthy and be safe. Thank you. Today's headlines. Pink WhatsApp. Beware. The link is a virus. Can hack mobile phones. 2,859 people in Maharashtra getting COVID-19 every minute, says report. Second phase of UP Panchayat elections. Polling begins in 20 districts. Delhi government announces curfew from tonight till next Monday morning. Lockdown imposed in Rajasthan. All educational in state closed for 15 days. Marcotech developers shares drop after weak market debate. Next 3 weeks crucial for India in terms of COVID-19 spread. CSIR CCMB Director. Helpline for detail on COVID testing centers. A link that claims to turn WhatsApp into pink color and says it comes with new features has been spreading on the internet. However, cyber experts have cautioned users against it as it is a virus that can compromise privacy of the users. According to cybersecurity expert, clicking on the link claiming to be an official update from the WhatsApp will hack the user's phone and they may lose access to their WhatsApp. Beware of WhatsApp Pink. A virus is being spread in WhatsApp group with an APK download link. Don't click on any link with the name of WhatsApp Pink. Complete access to your phone will be lost. Cybersecurity with expert Rajshekhar Rajarai posted on social media platforms. Several WhatsApp users were seen sharing the malicious link. As India continues to battle the deadly coronavirus, data analysis has revealed the Maharashtra adds more than 2,000 infections to its tally every minute. According to the data, 2,859 people are contracting COVID-19 every minute, and one person succumbs to the novel virus every third minute on average, reported Hindustan Times. Maharashtra has been witnessing an updated surge in cases of past few weeks. On Sunday, the state was found to have registered 68,631 cases, pushing its total COVID count to roughly 38,39,338 cases. Maharashtra, which is considered the worst hit city so far, also reported 503 fatalities on Sunday, pushing the death toll to 60,473. A total of 8,468 cases were reported from the capital city, Mumbai alone, in the span of 24 hours on Sunday. Voting for the second phase of Uttar Pradesh. Panchayat elections begin on Monday at 7 a.m. in 20 districts including Lucknow and Varanasi. Voice. The polling will be held in Muzaffarnagar, Bagpat, Gautam Budh Nagar, Bijnor, Amroha, Burdwan, Etah, Mainpuri, Kanwaj, Itwa, Lalitpur, Chitrakoot, Patragar, Lucknow, Lakhimpur, Khari, Sultanpur, Gonda, Maharajganj, Varanasi and Azamgarh district. In view of increasing COVID-19 cases, arrangements for the hand sanitizer, soap and water for washing hands, masks, PPE Kits have been made at each polling booth. A few hours before the Panchayat elections in Etah, incidents of stone pelting and fire were reported from two places in the late night dispute. In first incident, a person was shot dead, while in another incident, a candidate husband was seriously injured in shooting. He has been referred to Agra. UP Panchayat elections polling begins from second phase across 20 districts. 3.48 lakh candidates in fray. The Delhi government announced a curfew from Monday night till next Monday morning. In another attempt to arrest the rising cases of the coronavirus disease, COVID-19 officials said the announcement comes after Chief Minister Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal held a meeting with senior government officers over the COVID-19. All the educational institutes, including schools and colleges in Rajasthan, have been ordered to close for 15 days. After the state government has imposed a lockdown to control the spread of COVID-19 virus across the state, the government of Rajasthan has ordered all the educational institutes to stay closed. Shares of Marco Tech Developers Limited, India's biggest home builders formerly known as Lodha Developers Ltd, dropped as much as 13% in their long-awaited market debut. On Monday, shares of Marco Tech dropped to as low as rupees 421.15, compared with the initial public offering price of rupees 486. The Mumbai-based company launched its initial. The next 3 weeks are crucial for India in terms of spread of COVID-19, said Dr. Rakesh Mishra, Director of CSIR, CCMB, Center of Cellular and Molecular Biology. On Sunday, adding that it is very important for people to follow guidelines very strictly. Mishra emphasized that people must follow the guidelines very strictly to prevent themselves from being infected with COVID-19. The next 3 weeks are very crucial and critical for India in terms of spread of the infection. People should take utmost care and precautions, he said. Regarding the death of hospital beds, oxygen cylinders and vaccines, Dr. Mishra said that if the situation continues, the country will be in a disastrous state. We have seen this kind of situation in Italy, where many people have lost their lives on the corridors of hospitals due to lack of treatment, medicine and oxygen cylinders. Last year, healthcare workers were very effective in handling the situation. He said, speaking about the increasing number of COVID-19 positive cases in the country, Dr. Mishra said that the second wave was very much expected. They have repeatedly stressed on the tests which help in the early direction of coronavirus. People in Telangana are familiar with complaints about lack of information over location of COVID-19 testing centers, time when tests are being conducted, and a long queues to give samples. 9 months after the pandemic, State Health Department officials on Wednesday announced that one can dial 040-2465-119 to find details about the nearest COVID-19 testing center, timings and location of the mobile testing vans to request a van to be sent for the tests at an office or small establishment. Earlier, the information was provided when one called 104. Director of Public Health Dr. G. Srinivasa Rao said that they have been using mobile testing vans to examine people in old age homes, orphanages and other places. Preparations have been made to test 65,000 samples a day, he said. Thank you, and for more updates, please stay tuned with Roj Tak, and please subscribe to our channel. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.